We are going to be making use of this country, language, and currency. That's what we are going to be making use of. Okay, load it again to translate this guy for me. Okay, so the first one here says country and region. So under this country and region, you can change. Presently now you can see that is in China mainland, right? A country that you know that it is English speaking country. So you can see now this is Hong Kong, China. So you can see now this is Hong Kong, China. This is Makwa. You click on this second option here to change it to English. You can see now this is where we have English. So if you click on English now, can you see it has automatically changed the language? But that does not end there. You can click on these dollars here, then click on save and confirm. So once you click on confirm now, automatically you can see that everything is now displaying in what? In English. So alright guys, you're welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start e-commerce business, how you can start making cool money online. Get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and in today's tutorial we are quickly going to be looking at how you can change your language to English language on this Taobao app. Okay, so what you want to do to join our community is to smash the subscription bell. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and also comment. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial properly. So before this time, I've recorded a video. If you don't know how to sign up, I've recorded a video on how you can sign up on this app. Okay, how you can use your phone number. We have different methods you can use to sign up. You can use your phone number to sign up. I've recorded a video on how you can use your phone number to sign up. How you can also use Alibaba, which is Alipay, to sign up as well. I'm going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial so you can learn how to sign up properly. So after that, I've also recorded the video on how you can use your ATM card to buy. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the tutorial properly. So now the first thing you will do is to come to this profile icon here. You click on this guy here. So after you click on it, you can see settings presently where I'm pointing at. You click at that settings here. So it's going to take you to this page. Now let me screenshot this, then go to my Google Translator. This is my Google Translator here. So you open your camera, then you upload. If you don't know how to use this Google Translator, I have a video for it. I'm also going to be leaving it under the description. So this is what we have here, right? We are going to be making use of this country, language, and currency. That's what we are going to be making use of. Okay, so now we are going to click on the fourth option here, which is where I'm pointing here. So once we click on it, it's going to take us to this page. Let me screenshot this, then upload it again to translate this guy for me. Okay, so the first one here says country and region. So under this country and region, you can change. Presently now you can see that is in China mainland, right? Then that's the first one. Then under it we have the language too, which we're also going to be dealing with. Then the payment currency. So this payment currency now, it includes how you can change it to your currency. If you want it to be displaying in dollars, maybe you are outside of China and you want those products to be displaying in dollars, you can change it, which is part of what I'm also going to be teaching you. So the first one here is the country. You need to select the country that is English speaking country. It's not necessarily to be your country, but you can just select any English speaking country. So we are going to click on this first option, which says country and region here. So once you click on it here, it will bring several countries for you. Can you see these are the listed country here? So you are going to select a country that you know that it is English speaking country. So you can see now, this is Hong Kong, China. So you can see now, this is Hong Kong, China. This is Makwa, China. This is Taiwan, China. Singapore, Malaysia, Canada. You can also select this Canada because Canada is a English speaking country as well. So which is option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 7. You can also select Australia or New Zealand. You can select any random speaking country, English speaking country. So I'm just going to select Canada here. So once you select Canada, it has automatically changed to Canada. So what you will do next now is to select the language. Remember, it is this 3 option that we have here. So we have changed this first country now to what? To our country. So the second one now is language. So you click on this second option here to change it to English. You can see now this is where we have English. So if you click on English now, can you see it has automatically changed the language? But that does not end there. You need to save it. You need to click on confirm. So before I click on confirm, I've also recorded a video on how you can use your ATM card to make a purchase on this platform directly. Your local ATM card in your country, you can use it to buy directly. It's not necessarily you have a verified Alipay account. Okay, so you can use it to buy. Then also you can also I've recorded the video. You can also watch it under the comment section or the description button of this tutorial. It's going to be showing how you can add your warehouse address directly. I recorded the video too, so you can watch these videos. It's going to help you very well. Like, it's going to help you a long run. So we also help, we are a procurement agent too. We can help you procure goods to your preferred location. We can help you to talk to supplier. Then we are also available for exchange services. We can help you fund your Alipay account. These are services we do. Okay, so you can reach out to us on the number displaying on your screen. So lastly, you can also change your payment currency. If you click on it here, you can select any random currency that you want this to be displaying. Can you see we have different currency? If you want it to be displaying in USD, which is dollars, you can click on these dollars here. Then click on save and confirm. So once you click on confirm now, automatically you can see that everything is now displaying in what? In English. You can see here, if I'm to refresh it, you see it will keep on displaying in English. So you can also change, we have also changed it to dollars. So you can see that it's also displaying in dollars. It is going to show you the approximately. The first currency there is the Chinese currency, while the second one there is in dollars. Remember, we change it into dollars as well. So you can see that's how it works now. So they can also help you ship directly to Canada if you want them to help you ship it directly to Canada. So you can see it here. These are the shipping estimated period. Okay, so that's how you can do what you can basically change your language on Taobao. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Kindly like the video, share it, comment, and also subscribe to see more of our content, so YouTube will be able to notify you that we've posted another helpful content like this. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.